Surveys show that customers prefer to do things themselves, whether they are in your dealership or online through your website. Nowadays, buyers buy cars from homes too, as you all know. While waiting for the salesperson, they may want to explore many things at your dealership themselves. Similarly, we know some people visit your store during busy hours or after hours. We have patent-pending solutions to support all of these customers. We have an AI-based chatbot, which acts as a digital retailing product for your website, where customers can check discounts, protections, trade-in valuation, and finalize the price for a car, whether they're buying by paying cash or taking a loan. With our AI component, they can also ask any questions about a car. You can define the fixed price or price range for your car ahead of time, and we follow your rules. Our QR code reader integrates AI-based chatbot and lets your customer scan QR codes from the car window or from a dealership entrance. They can do many things themselves for a given car or your dealership. Best thing is, they have to check in first, so you know who came to your dealership. They can schedule a test drive, browse your inventory, or offer their counteroffer for a given car, so you can decide what kind of salesperson is required to close the deal. Naturally, they can opt for meeting a salesperson too. In some sense, we are doing a pre-sale for you while supporting your do-it-yourself customers. We qualify your buyer before your salesperson gets involved. 1. If a buyer is serious and offers a price meeting your needs, we generate a voucher so the buyer and you can finish the remaining formalities quickly while most deal terms are finalized. 2. If a buyer is not serious and offers a low-ball offer, we save your salesperson's time and automatically offer another car which might meet that buyer's needs. This car may have more miles or may be a little bit older too. 3. In the case where a buyer is somewhat serious but doesn't meet your needs, we let that buyer work with your seasoned salesperson so you can close the deal outside of our platform. In short, we help you with digital retailing, customer support, and pre-qualification of your buyers so you can close more deals. Ask us about the demo.